Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to focus on this piece of steak. Yes, we are going to color a piece of steak. Of all things in a video, we're going to have fun coloring this steak. I went to Pinterest trying to find out how to color the steak, to help me get ideas, and there was nothing. I guess everybody's afraid to color the steak. So this was our card sketch number 124, and this was posted this past Monday. And my team, when I shared this card with them, there was a few that reached out to me and said, how did you color the steak? And I thought, well, at least I'm not alone, right? So I thought I would do a video, and trust me, it's very simple. But still, if you're wondering how to color the steak, this is the video for you. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm going to use the Memento ink. I'm going to actually stamp this steak 3 times. So we're going to do one medium, well, and rare, or raw, as I'd say. My husband likes his medium well. I like mine personally well done. I don't like any pink in my steak at all. So the 3 colors we're going to use are the dark and the light crumb cake, and then also the light real red. So depending on how much real red of the marker you use on your steak will determine on how bloody it is. You know what I mean? So we're going to go ahead and make this one with the rare. So what you're going to do is you're going to see on the steak there's lines. Can you see that? Hopefully that's picking up. So I'm going to take the bullet tip of my Stampin Blends, and I'm going to just mark those lines with my marker. I'm marking all of them with the real red and the light. You could use the real red and the dark if you want. I think I used the real red light on my sample. I guess we can compare. All right, so then after you do that, then you're going to take your crumb cake. I'm going to use the dark, and I'm going to color the fat around the edge with the dark. Okay, then all I did was I took the crumb cake in the light and I colored the whole image in. That's it. Seriously, that's what I did for my steak. Doesn't that look yummy? Not. All right, so there's your rare or raw steak, right? All right, so now we're going to do one medium well. So this one we're going to use the real red again, but this time I'm just going to do like a few slashes on those marks. Just a couple, not so much. Because this one's just going to have a little tiny pink in the inside. Okay, so not very much. I didn't color all the slash marks on this one. Can you see this? Okay, and the same thing. We're just going to color the fat around the steak in the dark crumb cake. And then take the crumb cake in the light and color it all. So you can see this one's a little bit more bloodier than this one. See? Look. Okay, so then for my well done, guess what 2 colors I'm going to use? I'm just going to use the crumb cake light on all of it. And then I'm going to take the dark, and I'm just going to do around the edges. And this is going to represent my well done steak. This is my favorite. Well done, no pink. Don't judge, I like it. I like well done steak. So those are the 3 flavors of steaks using your Stampin' Up Blends. And this was the stamps that I used on this card sketch number 124. Right here. Isn't it cute? And this looks just like my husband's Traeger grill. I love it. So my husband got a Traeger grill for Christmas and he loves it. So I thought this would really be a great Father's Day card. So I put the hamburger, the ear of corn, and then of course the steak. That's so bloody. All right, so then you can see here. Yeah, I think I used Maybe I use the petal pink in the center. Like the center where the marbling is, maybe? I don't know, but it still looks legit, right? So hopefully that helps you with your coloring your steak with this outdoor barbecue stamp set. Have fun. Okay, if you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the items listed down below. And then don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, thanks for stopping by. We'll see you later. Bye.